Hello, this is Stefan Dykes. In this video, I will walk you through the body-worn components available in Axis Camera Station Pro, including system connection, snapshots export, CAD integration, and storage setting. The first part is connecting your Axis body-worn system to Axis Camera Station Pro to automatically transfer recordings. You can connect your controller more easily with a direct connection inside from ACS, or if you prefer, moving the connection file manually. In Axis Camera Station Pro, go to Configuration, Body-worn, and select Connect a body-worn system. Under Connection Method, select how you want to connect your system. You can either connect directly to Body-worn Manager or generate a connection file to upload manually. If you select Connect Directly, enter the IP address, username and password for your system controller running Body-worn Manager. Note that a user must already be set up in Body-worn Manager before using Connect Directly. If needed, you can also end existing connections. This requires uploading a new connection file to each system controller that should remain connected. Click Connect and allow to confirm the connection. If you select the traditional way to connect to your Body-worn Manager, select Generate Connection File and click Export. Save the connection file and upload the file to your Body-worn Manager. Before creating a connection file, renew the server certificate if the server IP address has changed, or if Axis Camera Station Pro was upgraded from a version earlier than 5.33. Automatically create a snapshot picture with each bookmark and export them from Axis Camera Station Pro to a dedicated folder. A simple way to improve evidence handling and quickly access important still images. Go to Configuration, Body-worn, and select Snapshots. Enter the folder path where snapshots should be stored. Click Apply and then enable Snapshot Export. The next part of the component is the CAD integration for the Axis body-worn system. Integrate your computer-aided dispatch system to automatically match and categorize body-worn recordings. Recordings can be linked to dispatch events, officers, and case numbers for improved searchability and retention. The integration monitors an export folder from your CAD system. Each time a file is added or updated, the system reads the data and matches recordings based on officer name and time range. Matching recordings are automatically categorized and linked to the event ID and case number. To start setup in Axis Camera Station Pro, go to Configuration, Body-worn, and select CAD integration. Click Setup Integration. Select your file format, CSV or XML, and click Next. In this example, I'm using CSV. If your files are stored on a shared network drive, enable this option and enter the required credentials. Then enter the folder path to your CAD files. For CSV, also enter the file name and column separator. Next, map the fields from your CAD file. Officer name must match the virtual camera names. If needed, update this in Body-worn Manager. Event ID is the unique dispatch identifier. Call category defines how the recording is categorized. New categories are created automatically if needed. Dispatch time and clearance time define the time window and must follow the RFC 3339 format. Case number links recordings to a case. The column must exist, but the value can be empty. Click Finish to apply. To review recordings, click the plus icon and select CAD recordings, or click on the top bar highlighted in green. Here you can review automatically categorized recordings, filter by time or officer, and view the recordings. Important to know is that new categories require manual retention settings. This is configured under Recording and Events, and then Event Categories. Select the category and configure the number of days to retain recordings longer than the default camera retention time. Category color instead of event type color can also be changed here. Also make sure CAD export is updated regularly and includes recent data for accurate matching. Information might be lost if Axis Camera Station Pro or the component is not running, if export files are larger than 1 GB, or if network credentials need updating. If CAD integration is not an option for you, I would also like to highlight the Body One Assistant mobile app, which is supported in Axis Camera Station Pro. The app provides a simple way to set categories and retention times directly in the field. For more details, watch the Axis Body One new user features in Axis OS 12.5. The link is available in the description of this video. The final section is Body One Settings, where storage locations for recordings and rejected content are configured. Go to Configuration, Body One, and select Body One Settings. Under Recording Storage, select the disk to use as the default storage location for Body One recordings. Click Save. Under Rejected Recording Storage, select the disk location and enter the folder name for rejected content. Then configure how many days rejected recordings should be kept. Finally, click Save. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.